Yo, what's going on? So I want to answer the number one question that everyone's thinking about is how do you make money? It's easy. There's one answer to that question. Be the solution to another person's problem. And if they have multiple problems, be the solution to all of their issues. If you can go out and your intention, I don't care if you're a real estate investor, I don't care if you sell shoes, I don't care what you do, I don't care if you're a Xerox salesman, I don't care, again, if you're an artist, a painter, if you can be a solution to the other person's problem, you will make money. If you add value to their life, if you add value to their business, if you add value to them by solving something that they are looking for, that they need, that they want, you will make money as a business owner. Now, as most of you guys know, I've been flipping homes now for 10 years here in Phoenix. So I tend to talk a lot about real estate and real estate investing and flipping homes and wholesaling and buying and holding, and that tends to be where I go. But I'll tell you this, it doesn't matter what type of entrepreneur you are. Again, whether you're an artist, a musician, you're flipping homes, you're in finances, if you're an athlete, it doesn't matter. The best way to make money is be a value and find a solution to another person's problem. And I'm just coming off the cuff right here. Take an athlete, for example. You might be thinking, what does that have to do with sales or make it? Well, they make the most money, right? But their value to the team is they might need a third baseman, and they're the best third baseman, and they hone their craft, and they practice every day, and they're a solution to that team's need. Take financing or finances, right? So a financial planner. Well, they're a solution to people that have money, that need to move their money, to place their money, to get a return on their money. They are a solution to someone's need and or maybe want. And so for those of you who are in my industry of real estate investing and flipping homes, I'll tell you now, the best and easiest mindset you need to have to get more deals done, to make your first paycheck, to, make money, period. Be a solution to what the homeowner needs. And if you can be a solution to all of their needs and wants, you will win. You need to figure out what they need, what they want, what they value, and how you can be a solution to what they need and what they value. Now, that goes into a whole different training that I have trainings on sales and all of that. But what I'll tell you is go out and make sure that you ask the right questions to your clients, that you're asking what could you help them with, if you could be of help, and how you could help them get from where they are now to where they want to be. And if you can do that, you will make money. You will get your first deal. You will contract your first deal. You will be the solution that the homeowner needs if you're in real estate. And if you aren't in real estate and you're watching this video, maybe you're on YouTube, maybe you see it on Facebook, maybe you're listening to my podcast, The Science of Flipping. If you are watching or listening to this video, then finding out, no matter the clientele or the opportunity, the other person on the other side needs or wants something, you find out what they need, you find out what they want, you find out what they value, and you become a solution to all of that. You're gonna make big bucks, baby. I promise you that. That's what I wanted to share with you guys on this training. I hope to see you guys on the other side. And again, whether you're watching me on Instagram, Facebook, social media, if you're hearing this on iTunes, maybe you caught me on YouTube, I look forward to keep giving you value. But for this one, I'm out. Peace.